everyone. Imagine walking into a store and knowing that every product you buy helps improve the world in some way. What if your business could be a force for good, making a positive impact on society while still achieving financial success? By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the definitions and importance of CSR, learn about various CSR frameworks, discover how to implement CSR practices in your business. Let's start with what is corporate social responsibility. CSR is a business model that helps a company be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the public. Companies use CSR to be conscious of the kind of impact they're having on all aspects of society, including economic, social, and environmental. Economic responsibility, being profitable while upholding ethical standards. Environmental responsibility, minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Social responsibility, contributing to the well-being of communities and society at large. Patagonia, the outdoor clothing company, donates 1% of its sales to environmental causes, reflecting its commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Think of CSR as a company's way of giving back to society, much like how individuals volunteer their time to community service. Tom's Shoes operate on one-for-one model, donating a pair of shoes to someone in need for every pair sold. This CSR initiative has provided millions of shoes to children worldwide. Now let's talk about why CSR is important. CSR is important because it demonstrates a company's commitment to ethical behavior and societal well-being, which can lead to enhanced reputation, customer loyalty, and long-term success. Let's talk about some of the benefits of CSR. Enhanced brand image. Consumers are more likely to support brands that are socially responsible. Then we have customer loyalty. CSR initiatives can build stronger connections with customers. Employee satisfaction. Employees are more motivated and engaged when they work for socially responsible companies. Then we have risk management. Proactively addressing social and environmental issues can mitigate potential risks. Ben & Jerry's integrates social responsibility into its business model by sourcing fair trade ingredients and advocating for social justice, which has strengthened its brand image and customer loyalty. CSR is like planting trees in a community park. It enhances the environment, benefits everyone, and shows your commitment to the community's well-being. IKEA's People and Planet Positive strategy focuses on sustainability and social impact. By promoting renewable energy and supporting sustainable living, IKEA has built a strong reputation as an environmentally conscious company. Several frameworks can guide businesses in implementing effective CSR practices. Here are some of the most widely recognized. Number 1, the triple bottom line. The triple bottom line framework evaluates a company's performance based on 3 dimensions: people, planet, and profit. It emphasizes the importance of social and environmental considerations alongside financial success. Unilever uses the TBL approach, focusing on sustainable living plans that benefit society and the environment while driving business growth. The TBL is like a 3-legged stool where each leg, people, planet, profit, is essential for stability and success. Number 2, the UN Global Compact. The UN Global Compact is a voluntary initiative encouraging businesses to adopt sustainable and socially responsible policies. It outlines 10 principles in areas such as human rights, labor, environment, and anti-corruption. Coca-Cola adheres to the UN Global Compact principles, focusing on water stewardship, reducing carbon footprint, and promoting ethical practices. The UN Global Compact is like a compass, guiding businesses towards ethical and sustainable practices. Number 3 is ISO 26000. ISO 26000 provides guidance on how businesses can operate in socially responsible way. It covers areas such as organizational governance, human rights, labor practices, environment, fair operating practices, consumer issues, and community involvement. Companies like Nestle uses ISO 26000 to integrate social responsibility into their business operations, focusing on sustainable sourcing and improving community livelihoods. ISO 26000 is like a detailed roadmap offering directions on the journey to social responsibility. Evaluate a business of your choice and identify areas where you can implement CSR initiatives. Choose a framework that aligns with your values and start developing a CSR strategy that benefits both the business and society. For more insights on CSR and sustainable business practices, I highly recommend The Triple Bottom Line: How Today's Best Run Companies Are Achieving Economic, Social, and Environmental Success by Andrew Savitz. Corporate social responsibility helps you not only contribute positively to society, but also enhance your business's success and reputation. Embrace these practices and lead your company towards a sustainable and responsible future. Happy planning!